The Welsh for "it's raining" is mae'n glaw. There's a few interesting things going on here. First is the translation. Welsh doesn't have a single verb to rain. Instead it phrases it to throw rain. So "it's raining" is literally "it's throwing rain." The second thing is the word order. This is standard in Welsh, but if you're not familiar with the language it may seem strange. In Welsh the verb comes first. Here it's my, an auxiliary verb required in the present tense. The lexical verb is bwrw, to throw, which comes after the subject. Finally is the pronoun he. Welsh only has two genders, like French, so there's no word it. For impersonal constructions like "it's raining" or "it's hot", the feminine pronoun he is used, rather than the masculine as would be the case in many other European languages.